So here we have the BJP National General Secretary Kailash Vijayvargiya stirring a major controversy while addressing a rally in Indore. He said that PM Modi played a crucial role in ousting the Kamal Nath-led Congress government in Madhya Pradesh in March this year. Vijayvargiya said that it wasn't Dharmendra Pradhan but PM Modi who toppled the Kamal Nath government. Yes, he said it in so many words, it's on record. Let's listen in.
मैंने आज तक किसी को नहीं बताई, पहली बार इस मंच पे बता रहा हूं कि कमलनाथ जी की सरकार गिराने में यदि महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका किसी की थी तो नरेंद्र मोदी जी की थी, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी की नहीं थी।
Govind is joining me live on this. So Govind, we played it out for our viewers. It's for everyone to hear. And it seems Dharmendra Pradhan was very much present on stage when this was said that it's not Dharmendra Pradhan, it's Prime Minister Modi who actually orchestrated the fall of the Kamal Nath government. Did I understand that correctly? Because this is coming from none other than the National General Secretary of the BJP. They are claiming responsibility for toppling a legitimately elected government in Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah, not even General Secretary of BJP party, Kailash Vijayvargiya is supposed to be very senior leader of BJP party, also in charge of West Bengal, and he is claiming and he is saying that this is ever the first time the truth behind the toppling the government of Kamal Nath is being exposed by himself, the General Secretary of BJP party, Mr. Kailash Vijayvargiya was addressing a rally, the public awareness rally regarding the farm laws in Indore, and on the stage Union Minister Mr. Pradhan was there and Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh Narottam Mishra was there on the stage. In front of those senior leaders, Kailash Vijayvargiya claimed that whoever was played the key role in toppling the government of Kamal Nath is none other than himself, the PM of our country, Narendra Modi. So this was a kind of exposition made by Kailash Vijayvargiya in Indore. When we just had words with the Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Narottam Mishra, he says that it was nothing but a kind of fun played by Kailash Vijayvargiya there in Indore. But in Congress side, the Congress spokesperson Narendra Salija tweeted that the government which was constitutionally elected by the public of Madhya Pradesh was toppled on the direction of PM Narendra Modi. This is quite harassing and surprising one. So this is what we can understand, that for the first time Kailash Vijayvargiya has exposed this threat that who was behind the government of Kamal Nath to topple. It was PM Narendra Modi. He claimed that, but here the statements are coming from BJP party and Congress party also in the same concern.
Yes, an interesting disclosure, the fact that he actually also makes a disclaimer before saying this, saying kisi ko batana nahi. Now this is again interesting, like you said, the Congress spokesperson has lapped it up and he's saying, Narendra Saluja is saying it's crystal clear that PM Narendra Modi is the one who pulls down constitutionally elected governments in unconstitutional manner. One wonders why Mr. Kailash Vijayvargiya thinks this is a badge of honor to indulge in this kind of a subversive activity and also express that kind of a malified intention. Thanks for joining us, Govind, with the latest information.